Hi everyone, so today I have a bit of an Hermes haul. I have 10 items to unbox. I have another Hermes item on the way, but I'm not going to wait because I want to start using these things. The first item I have is this lip balm. It says Rose Hermes Rose à Lèvres Rosy Lip Enhancer. So it is, it's in this little outer box, and then it's in the little Hermes box. It slides out, and it has a little pouch, and so pretty, such a pretty case, as you can see. And and so pretty. I think this just gives like a little tint to the lips. That's really pretty. I can't wait to use it. I actually have an Hermes lipstick in Rose Mexico. And it's such a beautiful, vibrant pink. But I haven't gone many places during the pandemic, so I don't get too many chances to put on lipstick, especially with the mask on. So I think this will be nice though because it's a balm. So, okay, so that's the first item. And then the next item I have, actually bought two scarf holders or scarf rings. And one is for a Twilly and the other one is for a regular size scarf. And I will unbox them here. I have a scarf ring that my dad actually brought me home from Paris, which I love. I completely love it. And when I do wear an Hermes scarf, I usually use it. But I bought these because there's something really unique about them, which I will show you. I can open these. This is a true unboxing. I have only seen these things online. I got all of this online. And oh my gosh, how beautiful is this? It is a zebra scarf ring. I just thought that was so incredibly unique and beautiful. And I thought about getting a scarf with a zebra on it. I may do that in the future. But I just love this. I thought it was really a beautiful collector's item. So I'm so happy to have this. It's, as far as I know, it's still available on the website, but if you're interested in that, I'd say hurry because it's probably the kind of thing that's going to sell out quickly. And then I got this one, which is for a Twilly. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. This is teeny weeny. It's a horse head. I don't know if it's focusing. And it's very small. And it came in different colors. And it's a Twilly ring. And I thought this would be really cute. Like if I wrap my Cali pochette handle with a Twilly, that this could maybe put on it. And let me just compare this to the other one, so you can see the difference in sizes. Yeah, so look at the difference in sizes. The Twilly ring, scarf ring, is much smaller than this one. So that gives you an idea of the relative sizes. Now this is a small leather good that I picked up. I don't have very many leather goods, small leather goods at all, so I wanted to add a few to my collection. This is a Verso change purse, and it's in, I think it's blue CL. Let me just find, it's the Verso change purse in Celeste. This is Celeste, and then on the inside is raisin. So I just love that. I wanted to get a Bastia, and I still do, but I can't find the color that I want. So I thought this was nice, really pretty actually. I thought this would be nice and easy to find in the bottom of my gold Birkin, because I wanted some brightly colored SLGs that were easy to find. And oh, I love that, it's so cute. It's a little smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but actually that's good, that's better. Okay, now my next item is an SLG, but it's a little larger SLG. I actually was on the website and I saw a beautiful wallet, a Cali Wallet, in it's gorgeous, like pink color. And by the time I could get it in my cart, it was gone. So I ended up, it was in Magnolia, but I saw this then and I thought this would be nice as well. So this is green wallet, and this is, let's see, the classic long wallet in Vert Jade and Chai. It has a zipper, zips around, and the inside is a beautiful patterned silk, and it has all of these compartments. That's for bills. These are for credit cards. Let's see the other side. It has the Hermes leather tag inside. You can see. And it has the zippered center compartment for change. Oh, this is so nice. This is actually really nice. I had some reservations about this wallet, but I'm glad I got it now. I think the color is so pretty, and I have a Louis Vuitton wallet that I've had for like a decade, and I absolutely love it, and it holds everything. I think it's actually called an organizer, but sometimes it's just too big and thick to fit in my bags, so I wanted something a little slimmer, and I think this will be absolutely perfect. Okay, the next item I have is a scarf. And I saw this scarf and I loved the pattern and I loved the colors. And this, I think I'm gonna have to stand up. It is, hang on, I just wanna get it's the 90 cm scarf, and it's in rose lipstick. It says rose lipstick via rose and cream. And again, as far as I know, this is still on the website. It is, let me stand up. It is a horse. Let's see. I'll get this the right size. It is. It's a beautiful horse. It's a beautiful horse pattern. And it's basically all floral. And I just thought that was so stunning. I have a bunch of Hermes scarves, but they're sort of more the traditional, you know, kind of equestrian prints, or I don't know, this just looked different. It looked like much softer, and I just loved the colors and I loved the florals. Thought it was just absolutely beautiful, and I love horses. And I think this, I'm not sure, it says Robe Légère here, and I think just the artist, it says Hermes Paris in the other corner, and I'm not sure who the artist is. Theo, it says Theo de Qualtel, if I'm reading that correctly. Let me see if I can show that to the camera. I don't think I can. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up because I think it's just too, it's like dark writing on a dark leaf or dark flower over here. But oh, this is so pretty, and it's just so gorgeous to see it in person. Oh my gosh, okay. But I will examine that more carefully when I'm finished here. And then the final items are Twillys. So I got 4 Twillys, 2 for my navy blue Birkin, which I think it's Blue Nuit, and then 2 for my gold Birkin. So I'm just gonna open like one of each, if I can figure out which is which. Let's see. So this is the Twilly for, there are 2 of them, for the gold Birkin. I plan to use with the gold Birkin. And that's one reason I thought that Verso would look pretty, because it's also blue, and then this is blue, and it has a little bit of taupes and beige and a little bit of gold on it. So I thought that was really nice. And it says, it's Odyssey is the pattern, and it's got beige and blue ciel. So I love that. And it says Hermes Paris right there. Let's see. Okay, now let's see if I can get the other one, or if I'm going to end up with the same one again. If so, we'll just open the other one. I've wanted Twillys for my Birkins for such a long time and just never done it. And I actually just ordered inserts as well, which I'll share when I get them. I ordered them from 7P. Oh, of course, this is the same Twilly. So I will unbox it, which I knew that was going to happen. Okay. Well, then this has to be the Twilly for my navy Birkin. Here we go. There we go. So there, it's just all shades of blue and cream and white. And I thought that's so pretty for my blue Birkin. And this one is called Springs. Bac de Marine. Cream Petro. Oh no, I guess it's Marine Creme and Petro. I've had French, but not for a very long time, so excuse my mispronunciations. It's the Springs Twilly. Yeah, Marine Creme and Petrol are the colors here. So I can't wait to wrap them around the handles of my Birkin, and there it says Hermes Paris. Maybe I'll make a video doing that, or showing that once it's been done. So that is it for this haul. Thank you for watching, and I have another Hermes item coming soon, and some bag inserts, and who knows, maybe some other things too. Bye everyone, thank you for watching.